What is up everyone, Stefan here from TechRight, and I'm pretty sure this is the best phone of 2018 as far as budget phones go. I did take a look at the new G3, but the Mate SE seems to be the budget beast of 2018. Stay tuned. So as you guys know, I did unbox this phone about a month ago, and I did my full review on this phone as well, and you guys know I am very fond of this phone, and I do actually love this phone a lot. It is my daily driver right now. I am running it on Metro PCS, so if you guys are wondering what carrier I'm running it on, that is Metro PCS. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a little branch of T-Mobile for my global viewers or whatever. But yeah, everything on this phone is actually pretty damn solid. So far the screen is absolutely amazing. I know some people don't like 18:9 aspect displays because you do have to zoom in on YouTube videos and stuff like that to go ahead and see them in full screen, but honestly it hasn't been a problem for me yet. The colors are nice, the pixel density is pretty great, and watching movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos on this is honestly pretty great. As you guys know, the fingerprint sensor on this device is like the fastest I have ever seen on a budget phone. This is pretty much the fastest fingerprint sensor probably on a budget phone to date right now. Huawei always seems to make pretty good fingerprint sensors, so there's no surprise there. Now as far as the cameras go, I absolutely love the cameras on this device. My favorite modes being wide aperture and light painting mode. Light painting mode probably has to be my favorite one if I were to choose one, because I absolutely love it. If you guys want to go ahead and see more samples of photos, you guys can go ahead and go to my Instagram. That is at tech.right, so definitely go ahead and check out my Instagram. You guys should be following if you are subscribed to this channel, and if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, turn on notification bell, and go ahead and go to my Instagram and hit me with a follow. Now I know a lot of you have been asking, are you used to MUI? I honestly love MUI. MUI is honestly probably my favorite UI right now. It's Android based, but it's, you know, it has Huawei's skin over it, and I absolutely love it. There's also a Huawei factory we can download themes, and right now I do have the Pixel theme on my phone, and it looks absolutely amazing. On this application you have the choice of other themes and wallpapers as well, and it's honestly a well-rounded application. Another huge thing a lot of people were asking me is this good for gaming? Now I did make a separate video for gaming on the Huawei Mate SE, but you know, people are still asking, you know, has it held up for a month or whatever, and yes, it's still doing an absolutely amazing job in gaming. I'm still playing games like PUBG and other first-person shooters as well. A very good device for gaming, and it's pretty good for $250 honestly. Now the last and final thing I wanted to talk about on this phone has to be the battery. And you know, we gotta mention the good and bad things on the phone, especially in the 1 month later review. And hopefully this doesn't turn you off about the phone, but the phone takes an eternity to charge. I remember it took me, I think, almost an hour and 45 minutes to charge it to 100%, and that's from like 30-40%, so it takes a while to charge, but the battery does last a long time, and I think this shouldn't be something to turn you off about a phone. You know, it doesn't have a quick charge or anything like that, but I think the phone still is absolutely amazing. But yeah guys, that is the 1 month later review of the Huawei Mate SE. I hope I didn't turn you off about the phone with that one little thing about the battery, because honestly a bunch of people can see past that, and in honesty it does last a day and a half, so there's honestly more pros than cons in this situation. But if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this phone, I will put the link down in the description below. It will be an affiliate link, and if you guys go ahead and purchase anything from that in the next 30 days, it does go ahead and help the channel out. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments down below and tell me what you guys are thinking or what other videos you want me to do. But yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you guys are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell to go ahead and stay tuned and be a part of the tech gang as well. I also have a Discord group chat where we can actually go ahead and talk on the phone, and we can text each other, and you can tell me basically what you want out of this channel. But yeah, we'll take any suggestions if you guys want to put those in the comments down below. You guys don't have to go on my Discord, but that's more of a personal thing if you know, would like to go ahead and do so. But yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, guys.